Buongiorno cari clienti di Wine. My name is Umberto Cosmo, and with my family I run this winery that is named Bellenda on the hills between Conegliano and Valdobbiadene. Fermo has been our first wine, and this is Valdobbiadene DOCG, Prosecco Superiore, and comes from our Glera grapes grown in our vineyard in Carpesica area, the small village where Bellenda is located, in limestone clay soils rich in moraine deposits from the ancient Piave glacier that descended from the Fadalto saddle between the Mount Pizzoc and Mount Visentin. Fine structure allows for good improvement for the 2-3 years after the harvest, but if well preserved, it can keep its quality for even 10 years. In our family, we always had 3 words to define our work. We consider, we believe, we create. These are the words that constitute the synthesis of what Bellenda is all about, who we are, who work there, our family, and our close bond with our land. Our vineyard that you see behind me is an intimate combination of environment and landscape, the work of both nature and generation of people, of men, that worked always here, and there we find the art of our winemaking vocation. Respecting our vineyard and the environment of which it is a component, it's crucial for achieving that masterpiece of equilibrium, producing a wine that displays at one and the same time the personality of its terroir and that of those who make it. We cultivate not just grape, but rather a systemic life force whose health we must preserve. Bellevine, prosit.